Good day, everyone. Today it is Thursday, and I want to do a little bit of a quick technical analysis on Bitcoin because right now, as we can see in the chart, we are inside this triangle right here. Okay, if we zoom in a little bit to the 4-hour chart, we can see kind of a little bit clearer where these levels of support and resistance and the touches are of this triangle. It is important to note that this triangle is itself inside of this channel right here. We can see all of the touches of this channel. And let's measure where the breakout of this triangle would take us, both breakout to the upper side, bullish breakout, or a breakout to the lower side, so a bearish breakout. So let's measure it like so, a bit of a conservative measurement right here. And if it were to break out towards the upside, and let's say it breaks out from around here, we could see that the target would be a little bit above $19,000. This would still implicate that the Bitcoin price is still inside of this ascending channel. All right. Now, the target can be anywhere between 19.5K and around 18.9K, depending on where the breakout will happen. Now, if it breaks towards the downside, the target could be anywhere between 13K and around 13.3K, right? That would, of course, bring the Bitcoin price to new lows. But I still think it's a pretty reasonable target to expect from a downwards breakout. This would also imply that the Bitcoin price would break below this channel as well. So it's important to note that we will have some support around this area right here, which might cause the price to bounce eventually. So if you're planning to take a short position with the breakout, be aware that we have this level of support right here. Now, it is important to note as well that we also have some levels of resistance right here in the case that the price breaks out towards the upside. Let's take a look at those levels. And right here, okay? So we can see I have marked here on my chart these levels of resistance, okay, which were previously support, okay, but now the Bitcoin price broke below all of these levels. So if you're going to take a long position with a breakout towards the upside, be aware that we have all of these levels of resistance. We also have this level of support right here. So if I were to enter a short position, I personally would enter below this level of support and take profits below this descending level of support of the channel. Okay, so maybe enter around here, take profits around here, depending where this breaks out. I am currently in a trade. Actually, I'm in a short position. Okay, and my take profit is around this area right here. I'm currently in a small profits. There's the reason why I entered this short position. I explained it on my the video before last. So if you want to see that video, you can check it out there. Now, I want to show you guys the importance of these patterns and the importance of measuring the target correctly to be able to take profit and put your stop loss as well where it needs to go. All right. So we just saw how I measured this triangle, the potential breakout towards the downside or breakout towards the upside. All right. I want to show you guys previous patterns that we saw that had breakouts and how all of the targets were so accurate. So I'm gonna turn this on right here. This right here. And first of all, we are gonna take a look at the breakout of this pattern right here. This is actually a symmetric triangle, sort of. We can draw, if I draw this, like so, boom, boom, we can see it a little bit clearer. And if we measure the breakout for the target of this triangle, right? So the breakout was here, right? And we can see the target exactly was reached right here at around $21,361. Around that level, the target was reached. Let's take a look at two more kind of fast examples. This triangle right here, if we measure like so, and we put it at the breakout, we can see the target was reached perfectly. Now, if we measure, for example, this one right here, like so, we can see the target was reached, and actually the price kept falling way below the target, but it was reached. So that's the importance. You need to put your take profit. You place it by measuring the low point and the low point and the high point of the pattern, the triangle in this case, and then you should put your take profit close to that level right after measuring. So that's how you do this. I will show you guys one more thing before I finish the video. I talked about this on yesterday's video, so you can check it out over there as well. Let me take out these things. Boom, boom, boom. All right. So let's go to the monthly chart. Right. So this is the Bitcoin price. The monthly Bitcoin chart. All right. And I want to show you guys this Fibonacci level, which is drawn between the low and the high, right? The swing low and the swing high. And this right here is the golden pocket, okay? And what I want you guys to focus on is this range between the golden pocket and the 76.4 level, right? If we get a little bit closer, we look at the weekly chart, we can see how the price was really ranging between these two levels for a long time. Even on the daily chart, this is very, very clear, okay? Right? And now finally, it has broken below this 76.4 fib level. So there's a really, really strong level of resistance right here, okay? And we will need to be aware of that as well if we are trading, okay? Take a look at yesterday's video in which I talked about kind of where the price might move, how it might move. And don't forget to like and subscribe for next videos. Press the notification bell if you want to get notified when I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys next time.